ready for the real? I said the real. The real deal. I want y'all to come closer. Song, you ready?
Yo.
First round. Let's go.
Yo. Yeah. People, big up everybody again. Because you know what, say, we have to start the team because you know what, say, BSN is a leader. And we don't follow, don't. All leaders, put your hand here, Moasio. All who know, say, your blood, your leader, put up your hand here. Dear man, start today, where you?
Dead. Me say them dead now. Odyssey, I go kill them now. Dead. Me say them dead. Me say dead. Me say dead. Me say dead. Me say dead now. Odyssey, I go kill them now.
Who go tell them fi come mess around now?
Odyssey, I go kill them now.
We kill some boy in the country and town.
Odyssey, I go kill them.
Let me show you we start clash. Drop that one there, man. Yo! Everybody! Put your hand here. We have like so. We have it from early.
Chewing in, Odyssey in the Lord.
Warm up your blood, yeah.
Chewing in, cocotte in the Lord. Chewing in, Freddy, my brother in the Lord. Chewing in.
You know what sound like this and this, but them can't do nothing about it. Guess what?
Why so many someones wanna see this Odyssey? Stop murdering somebody. Not a mercy.
Bushman!
Hey, so this
Trinidad! Yo!
The rise I up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun.
Oh, God.
Even when it's dawning, Odyssey go play another top on number one.
See, I'm so watch it.
Cause the time is so perilous.
In the business.
And the sound and clashing gets so dangerous.
Yeah, we don't even waste some time to run out of music. And the first round. So everybody, yo.
But it's so easy. Give thanks and pray.
Watch it.
Let me hear a brother Mark, Skinny, Squingy and Danny and Chewy.
Who is here?
Bass Odyssey coming true.
I don't know what good music. Put up your hand here, so.
Many did try to test the big bad Bass Odyssey sound, yes.
Hey!
Many will try, but I know they're doomed to die, yes. Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money, yes. Thinking that's what it takes to throw Bass Odyssey down, eh? Bass Odyssey kill sound and have the world dance so jam.
Backbone. When you like to have the fireman, yo.
That one that hear me there, yeah. Mama and Papa, don't take your man from your job. I can hear you.
Trinidad!
Here I come, and here I am. Oh, must salute the return of Adam. Oh, here I come, and here I am. This sound is the virgin of me.
Yes, tonight!
Don't you become a queen, it's never for me.
Mr. Engineer, turn up the microphone and turn up this blood clot. Turn it up more, I hear myself. Turn it up! All of your mouth, pick it up, put your hand here!
On all type of in the sky preaching, Papa shot preaching, and if
Yes, and this is the name of the fucking nation. No, this is risky.
Jaro!
son boy, make me tell you this way, this
Odyssey gonna kill you. From the city, pop no, Lenny, squinching, Chino one, Killamanjaro, Troy Tan.
Remember what about the blood first, then we get wicked.
Smoke your herb, give thanks and praise it, make we think constructive and brave.
You know what?
Hey, they said Odyssey kill sound.
Turn up the lights on them, with the fire down there. Turn up the touch them. Over yourself. Killamanjaro.
We put a fire upon a weak sound. And
I don't know good music. Put your hand there, you answer. Sanchez.
Oh, I lift up my hands to Odyssey, cause you make me strong.
They sit with food on my table.
Yo!
Dancing in my heart, just
Trinidad!
they so busy, I love you so.
Oh God!
They so busy, I need you so. Sing along, hallelujah.
Jaro, that one you're gone to, that one you're gone, that one you're blood clot gone. That one you're gone, Jaro! That one you're gone! Trinidad! Yo!
Yeah, find the reason
Hi!
why beside the sea sounds so nice.
I can't. Run over them. I'm not afraid of people. Put your hand here. Gosso.
And then me can't take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam. This a this sig, why kill another jump and can't take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam.
I want to touch this.
You know what I go?
Check this one. Big gun man rise, boy, to make no nice. You this the base, and this you get the shot between your eyes. You like them on the line, the fast it just to realize them get gunshot to the brain.
What you do?
Centric, you know, an instant date. We use the black blunt, just send you your poop on it.
You know.
And use a double plate.
Listen, I call me first a player. Them tune I forget read a from now. Everybody at Trinidad, listen to that tune. Listen to that. Michael Rose, still fabulous. Ganja man!
You can have anything boy, standing boy.
Yo!
I let me talk for Sensimania, ruling in my backyard. I got to stalk a Sensimania, ruling in my
Who do you
backyard.
Yo!
Don't cut down the country, because it makes the best people me. I've heard that to say.
I want to inform, put up your boss here. Yes, sir.
Show me uno and all original than ya keep going on like that. Show
You know what?
me now. Odyssey, them can't look like I know. And them all hang up them mouth and a screw. Killamanjaro, them can't settle in our show. Odyssey,
Put your mouth down. Hey.
want them and Odyssey want them to.
Sunday, I first run, dear man. Get rid of music. Let me show you something. When we are cut song, we come different from every song. Me say we are leader, we don't follow. Let me play a rhythm. Christopher Martin, watch out.
Smart in ya, hear me a say, big up the big bad sound, be a study. See, me a say, big up man like Damien Dylan, G, your Worm, your Dwayne, your Lexi, your Katie, your Hardy. I mean, I say, Shane, big up yourself, be smart and that. To the full, kick. We say, smart in ya.
Watch out with him, watch out with him. We're going to play some blood class song for him. Hey, guess what?
Hey yo, it's not the first, not the last. Them this place at the sea and get locked off.
No!
And we putting bullets to the heart. And that's why they said this
Everybody
the
does so.
attack. Oh Lord, beside the sea, come fi kill them. Ayo, and as far as I can see, no sound out a road, no bad like
People, watch out.
Murder. That one their name kill up them bumbo class. Them this country spend and them dead to blow. Kill up them bumbo class. And this is sound no, we not down now. Kill up them.
Turn it up. No, Gaza people are there. No, serious. All real family, put your hand here. I'm play up family for already, man. Watch out. Watch out, Trinidad.
I didn't say, anyway.
Yo! Something else on then.
Yes, I this is crazy. No,
We
we insane.
Gosso. Hey!
Some boys who will link and feel like the link on the chain.
Hey!
Like we bust through your brain.
Hey!
Don't we feel real intimidating vain. Punch up, we fall like a rain.
Turn it up. Turn up, done. When them say blood clot, Batman for dead. Yeah, some boy has vexed up them face. I want to kill Batty boy, put a gun on the blood clot here like so.
Don't know, boy, dead if them talk. We go self DM, yeah. To the girls that we see, when we go self in a worm, shoot and Lexi.
Everybody goes on.
Alright,
You know what, Trinidad?
Base of this, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If it is the sexy girls, then we gon' shot your boy. But the way the girls, because of them above the joy, that the lake of fire, me dash your boy. Base of this, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you this is
not cartel.
we gon' shot your boy. Give me the way the girls,
It's like a real vibes cartel.
Hey, base of this. no apology. That's a methodology. Mark never walk off from a T-cycle.
Well, they say I'm the place like it was an invasion. Some boy corral the place they want to overthrow we look like. None of them no live up on the station. I with them near about. This and this if I get out. It was a murderation. Some boy corral the place they want to overthrow we look like. None of them no live up on the station.
Everybody start, give me this.
Well, you know the place me have the big tuna jump. The high grade and the chalice me call man no smoke.
Turn it on. Some boys are arsehole. Yeah, some boy are arsehole. All who's a blood clot, batty boy are arsehole for them. 200 the blood clot here. If you have a kerchief, take out your kerchief, take out your rag. We have in here, like. Go so.
Right down on tears.
Everybody put your blood on here. American arsehole.
We go bye in a batty boy, eh. Now we don't promote the batty man, them a feed it. Go bye in a batty boy. This and this, we don't promote the batty man. I say, 2 man must know.
People, I don't want you want bad blood clots and full of money. Junior gang and Bounty Killer, watch our combination.
Charlie Black. Well, we name this Odyssey. We say one in one and all. Who don't know where from them see we are living top on us. Coffee boot and khaki suit, you think we go a call over. Well, I pity them, no say this Odyssey, they master. Never put the killer son, we never put them we are. We get a itch, you have a 50 grip, it's bit of fire, but
show me, sir.
15 on me grip and we are squeeze.
Someone funny up on the microphone.
Till liquor, bitty drip, till none left at all. Go to flip it, till it, feel it, in mind now we matter.
Show me, sir.
Till like Yosemite, someone screen.
And the first one, what on, man?
Know we vehicle and them better mark with you. Keep your distance fast to work, a man, they pull your face and
start.
You go run for the uptown man, them
what are we at them up?
And you run for the ghetto man, them but are we and them up. You run come to junior gang in man, this and this we up. We about some ganja strip and real up bigger than cigar.
No, serious. If you real Bounty Killer and mean it, put your hand on here. Put your hand on here. Loud.
Yes, I did say them a the gang. Sound boy a figure hang. And fi kill that Joey and your friend. You hear? Let me tell them. Tell them shit. Stretch him up. Tell them. This little thing bass on the say we pop it off. Raise up the pin, select the thing on the shot kick off. You them want them money. Them return your head in. You build it down in a bed. Top lick off tree. Picking the missing dust dead and it at me all tree. That's me said them go catch it.
Turn it up. We like no informer. We kill all arsehole. We kill all switch. Serious. All who don't like no arsehole, put your hand on the blood clot here like so. You know what?
But the guy can die. We shoot them from a motherfucking. Alright. We tell them all who don't like informer. Say put up on the hand. Yes, and this he must kill one. We tell them all who don't like informer. Say put up on the hand. Yes, we tell them gun in a barrel, blood the pussy man.
People. It's our first round, you know. So me no really care cuss yet. I tell you, you know me I talk about. So we have to play that way at first. You know when we get rude, we get nasty, bad. Don't. Who know the king of dancehall? Everybody in a Trinidad, listen to this.
Pass him a kill him there. No, get the gas and the massive. The matches got the boy them alive. Read me a clap. Yeah. Bumbo class. All of the man them we know them now bow. Show up on the one and say yo. A bad man thing. Alright. Anyway, in this hour you better get yourself a gun. Man, I got it, I hope you get yourself a gun. I got my own, I want you get yourself a gun. But you a wicked man, go get yourself a gun. You a bad man, chichi man. Get yourself a gun. All back Italy man, get yourself a gun. No run again, I hope you get.
The part of the dance and them get me that tune. You're on this girl.
Again. But yes, I did see I go kill them. I got my chin, I go mad them. Tell them to free them and
This guy.
it's like aerobic, I go end them. Mine, I go kill them.
That is a part of some. Hey, Jaro, watch out. This guy again, no Jaro.
Right, Richard. Some of them can't put them push by one. They're showing out the boy and control them girls. Tell them to need to see that. Yeah.
Now we tell them say bad man no back when pussy happy dead. Bad man no back why pull them up a lead. All clown this the program sitting on the bed. Magnum. Don't make sense to beg ya go dead. Pussy happy dead. Yes I did eliminate from it.
Let
me tell you about BS Odyssey. BS Odyssey. No, them no take bad up. Yo, Mark, him no take bad up. Him ya not worm. Him no take bad up. Yo, BS Odyssey.
I have no fear.
Jar on this gun.
Yes, I this easy.
This gun funny. God, back up in your move.
Yes, I this no fear, no sound, no we no fear.
God.
Yes, I this no fear, no sound, no we no fear.
People, at the first 30 minutes, you see that guy first 30 minutes, let me tell everybody at Trinidad something,
Shabba ranking, dead to the father.
Anything to say about it from sentence, dead. As a matter of fact, BS Odyssey, big up on yourself.
I don't come on, put your hand on your like so. Put your hand on so.
Shabba, BS Odyssey in the place, man.
That's a come on, go so.
Because you know what
That's so.
You know what I'm telling you, man. We just ready for the war. We don't play again. But this is what motherfucking niggas should know. Big gun we carry.
You know who this?
10 pounds.
You know who this?
Yes, and this is a fish shot up. We have the whole place about up. Black blunt, black. In and you them stuck up. Kill them already, kill them again.
Yes, I this it. I chat them, yap them, yap. Yes, I this we are action pack. No cuss, no little lip, no parrot.
Word.
We are action pack. Tell them anything, anything. Anything, anything.
This gun on them, Jaro.
This is Michael Buckley and Johnny Asbury.
A big creation. Base of this, wicked. Base of this, we road, yeah. We're so tough.
Jaro, this gun.
But don't know what we're gonna do. Besides, bro, what do you say?
But let me hear you say, oh, what a la la. What a tra la la la. Base of the thing, him kill a jump and. But let me hear you say, oh, what a la la. What a tra la la la.
That's a thinking, Jaro. That's what I'm on.
Oh Lord, we send another sound home. Oh, beside the CS I go send them home. We send another sound home.
This one, gone again, gone to blood clot. We left them.
Plates for you never get old tonight.
Bombo clot. Jaro. Then me are gone, you think me can't play a fuss and left them a blood clot tune and switch them. You must be mad. Me have to get rid of them pussy when I drop them.
The wrong things. Richie Stevens said that. Lord of mercy.
This is God.
This is space and sea. And we no afraid of no sound.
Hey, Jaro.
Don't let the dubstep play into you. We gain a sound and conquer you. Just make this sound one of you. Yeah, I know Jah will see you through. They all wanna see you fall in a stumble. Beside us it sound well, but Jah is great. So keep the faith. He'll guide you that way. Get on up, stand up, Odyssey.
Run off a song. At the first round. It's a time. Time. More song left. We can't play one more song. Can't play one more song. Get rid of this because the first me I play, you know. Me not ready for cuss yet I got on bad. You know me I talk about?
This Odyssey is the best by any test. Some boy. Oh yeah.
The one you're gone to, this gun.
You trying to conquer this Odyssey. You never will conquer this Odyssey.
This you're gone to.
I say you're trying to conquer this Odyssey. Little soul boy, you never.
We don't know, so we're not killing myself. We're not killing myself yet. Yo!
I say you're going around and you sing, soul boy.
You are the greatest.
Isn't the right thing to do? No. See you soon be running, and then Odyssey for mercy. He's gonna build
this young guy and can't play again.
You're trying to conquer this Odyssey.
Time. Ready. Time. That was based Odyssey. We're gonna vote after the round. Are you ready for Killamanjaro?
Check. Turn up local volume on the mic there. Trinidad, good night. Trinidad, good night. Wanna see how great the mountain is? Imagine, based on this, don't even have an anthem for me, get rid of. Just look at it. And him play almost a dozen anthems and I get rid of Jaro tune. I never know him come here to get rid of tune. I think him come here to kill Jaro. A tune him I get rid of. Know your culture, you. Any country you go play, always represent where you come from. Before you start war, you have manners and discipline. We are the foundation, and me sure we represent.
Well, this happens to be the time
Turn it up!
we're going to bring back our people where they belong. I mean, like people who forget their roots. I mean, like forget where they belong, where they're coming from. I mean, like Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. From Killamanjaro. This is Sanchez speaking. Goes like this. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil power. Grant to life with countless hour. Through our leaders, great defender, grant through wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica land we love.
Are you ready for sound that now?
Killamanjaro. We don't laugh.
What's the one? Yes, this is. What do the boy?
Jano. Yes, this is you not tough. Yes, this is you not rough.
What do the boy?
All right. We get you from Luciana.
Yes, this is her.
Lord God. Doesn't matter what you play now, some boy. As long as you're not playing right, you will die tonight.
Show me what it is, song.
So when you try to play Jaro sound and try to come take our crowd, you will get
Levels. All who love Father God go so.
yeah.
Make a show me a son, this your Jaro right
I sound
now.
off the own way. You hear me now?
Go so now.
Yeah. There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone now.
Level. Yes, this is. You're not a bad man sound. There's a nice juggling sound of enough tune from the country. And the people are rate you. One bad man sound left in the world of a Killamanjaro. All who say go so good in here. Tell me yes, this is. Alright,
Say them a bad man, but them a bad man feel oh. Say them a wicked man, but them a wicked man feel oh. Say them a warrior, but them a warrior feel oh. Real warrior wouldn't go play number 2. Say them a bad man, but them a bad man feel oh. Say them a wicked man, but them a wicked man feel oh. Say them a warrior, but them a warrior feel oh. Them this Jaro can get so yo. Bad man is so pussy, bad man no forgot, and bad man with a puppet of a pussy.
Pull up. First round. Me not play around and get rid of people tune. I play to please people. You understand me? That's how Killamanjaro play. They're not tune for me get rid of. Run tune.
For security reason, movement of a currency like movement to bully and dead man to punch every look on one. Run out there, come and pump on nothing boy, you know. Keep them in them face in any way, you know. Posse get ready tonight, Killamanjaro to daily. Alright, down near me.
Be a Odyssey. The only reason why you go on like he's a bad man, Bounty Killer make you prove like he's bad. Remember me tell you that. You only perform like he's a bad man, but it's no bad man. When it's just a punk, run a juggling sound. A Bounty Killer body is not deal with. All who's a John a bad man sound.
Oh, nah, Killamanjaro rebel. None of them posted in a mouth like we. None of them posted in a top like we. None of them posted in a rough. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured. Again, none of them posted in a bad like we. None of them posted in a top like we. None of them posted in a rough. Life is a treasure that cannot. Well, I will send them, burn them, make it some, defend them, tie them up and let me lick up up and see the name them on the bed.
Me a go play an early Bounty Killer, nice tune.
Hey yo, yellow, you will never see Jara Code. Hey yo, yellow, motherfucking niggas should know. Freddy and Hyper on patrol. Motherfucking niggas get gunshot.
Tell them this.
War, them life it a cost them. Black talent toss them, black blunt lost them. Tell me them on your people food me yogs them. Finium the shot you like when I break fast them. Killamanjaro say, war, them life it a cost them. Black talent toss them, black blunt lost them. Tell Freddy them on your people food me yogs them. Damn them shot you like them break fast them. Jara say, man a gorilla soldier, enough of them me turn over. Man done.
Pull up. First round. No accolades. I just play and make the people enjoy themselves now. Squeeze.
When a conscience attack them, conscience about them, I'm tell them say the big bad Killamanjaro. I'm Mr. Freddy, big up yourself, and I'm Mr. Harper, watching them man. Right now the K them tall like a mountain, when it must the blood run like a fountain. Killamanjaro. Well, Mr. Freddy, if I want, we're ready. Killamanjaro, no frightened for nobody. We come to kill everybody. You know we're better than everybody. Jaro can run with anything. No sound no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on we gun and say we gun no for dance and fun. Jaro not in a bag of long time.
You give me early Bounty Killer again. So please understand the truth for me get rid of you, man. Please some early truth serious. Jaro.
Natural is the mistake. Man to them, what them say? Killamanjaro, he's a kill.
Listen.
We tell them say shut up. Jaro, have the place.
Calm on yourself. Make we kill someone you know. Calm on yourself. Calm on yourself. A war me come. And when me come a war, me not save life with nobody. When man a fire shot to me fire strap non-stop. When I not tune for me get reader. King Jardis. Trey, lock down this. Not tune for me get reader. Run tune.
Killamanjaro, Freddy Krueger, Muppet, Vikings, axes up. We're ready. Jaro, we're ready. We're ready. The mountain Killamanjaro ready. We're ready. I say we're ready. Rock the crowd steady. We're ready. Man, look how Jaro blazing up. Make the whole crowd waking up. Killamanjaro crew got the vibes. And
Calm down. Make me show them pussy on the kill sound. When I say killer, you say Jaro killer.
Killamanjaro, Freddy Krueger, Muppet, Vikings, axes up. Hi, we're ready. Jaro ready. We're ready. The mountain Killamanjaro ready. We're ready. I say we're ready. Rock the crowd steady. We're ready. Hey, man. Look how Jaro blazing up. Make the whole crowd waking up. Killamanjaro crew got the vibes. And nothing can break it up. Base of the suggested. Them get dub plate in a them head. We gonna kill them all night. Bloodshed. 24 times we kill them in a row. Tonight is the very last show. As we head out on the road, Jaro push some boy overboard. So make me see your hands up, so from you love Killamanjaro. If you're ready for the road, let the sound them know. We're ready for the war. Killamanjaro.
Yo. Time. Yalin, I want that for 999, boy. Somebody say the real deal. First round. That was the first round. Simple. Right? How that could be 9 minutes earlier? No, boy. 20. Time right. Time right. Time right. Time right. Time right. How simple we going on do? Right? Time is up. Time is the watch keepers. Right? We're gonna make this simple. Bass Odyssey, hands in the air. Killamanjaro, hands in the air. No noise. Hold on. Hold on. Very simple. Right? Who said Bass Odyssey win the first round? No noise, no noise. No noise. Who said Bass Odyssey win the first round? Alright. Who said Killamanjaro win the first round? No noise. Yes, see boy. Wait now. Wait now. No noise, no noise. Just a show of hand. Just a show of hand. Wait now, all your show of hand. Please, make my job easier. Who said Bass Odyssey win the first round? Who said Killamanjaro win the first round? Alright. Yeah? Yalin responsible. Yalin. 999. Right. Second round. Yes, madam.
Yes, we are telling about. He might play back song in a film first round. No? You never want to play back a bounty killer. And I tell me a kill up himself about my bad man. Killamanjaro. Them don't know if I write song, you know. The last song we play, look while. Who do it? I'm going to play the counteraction.
Odyssey, where man Damien? This one is from Trinidad to Jamaica to way beyond.
Everybody watch out!
I am Bunty Girl in the Viking of Soca.
I'm the Joker. Put up something now, you want to show them blood clot boy or something.
Sweep them up. Ramandolka. Ha. Yeah.
Everybody does it.
Bass Odyssey.
Does it.
Check. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. To kill Freddy. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Bass Odyssey, we're ready. Ha. Yeah.
Let me show you we right blood clot song. Everybody at Trinidad.
Check. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. To kill Freddy. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Bass Odyssey, we're ready. We're ready. To kill Freddy. Jaro done dead already. Ready. Ha. Bass Odyssey guns them raising up. And Jaro ahead of us. The atmosphere have vibe. And look, Jaro run out of luck. The boy them feel them tough, but Odyssey gun them enough. We gonna kill them all night. Hey, Killamanjaro, one back to your home. Trinidad don't want to hear you no more. Bass Odyssey run the town, and them alone go nowhere.
And we are the blood clot bad sound. And we are the blood clot bad sound. We know how to write music. Let me show them something. Let me show them something. Him coming here, him a cuss about BSS, he not tune to get reader. You realize we weak them blood clot backs. Them have to take one different road. No, you realize them have to take one different blood clot road. After they are cuss at the yap. Bad man pussy wall, let me tell you something.
You know, eat you up your rain, you know.
And I Freddy!
When I'm Friday,
let me show Freddy something. Trinidad, tell Freddy!
Thanks to this, you tell them, say clean up them heart and come. Yo, you cannot put corruption when some boy they burn. Say, hey, them going down.
You don't know long me I come at Trinidad. Freddy, you know long me I come at Trinidad.
I've been there all day of my life. Who works good and quail, I deal with my sight. Hey,
so don't care, and that's no
one. Some are just your flesh, them want to kill with all them fork and knife. Some don't care, their heart is like ice, waiting to see you fall, Bass Odyssey.
The artist here unlucky world too. I act here, tell them something. Tell them something, because them are a blood clot bad son. They're about 5-year-old and Bass Odyssey. Triple. Drop that. Because you see Jaro 58-year-old. BS is just 24. So you know, say, them triple time the age of we. So we if we stand up with them and kick them in them face, we bad, don't. All bad people put your blood clot bad hand in here, and we kick one of them pussy hole.
Yeah, yes, this. That's why I'm laughing. I'm bored of Freddy over the side, but with them named Jaro. Yo, Freddy. The whole Jamaica knows say you're bad, boy. Are you found a chicken?
Watch out, Trinidad!
You hear me now? Freddy Cougar get gunshot because he climb on us. Jaro a go dead when I hide and talk. Give them gunshot in a them bumbuckler. Hear me now, Trinidad? Yes, we a murder jump on. Jaro the rifle down on Freddy fi dead. Him a big batty man. We a murder.
You see anything them playing now tonight? Me have a counteraction for you. We're not going to see something here tonight. Jump down. We're not going to see something.
Hey, yo. There's an issue make you squeeze the man. There's an issue till the bend, till the bend. He that goes to the bend, till the bend. We're not busting up to the bend, till the bend.
Hear me a say, man. Yes, I did say. Well, for me little bit, I been a hustler, all scraper, all paper chaser, left chatting for later. When the time waster, base of this rise to the top. Alright, me son of boy never touch me for money, me never yet paid. When I follow people, we ever say trend. The sexy body girl, them we never.
Turn it on. Look who I'm here, Freddy. Same I play Bounty Killer. And the third Bounty Killer I'm playing play over one who we play already. You know I'm sure them pussy hole how we play Bounty Killer. All we are Bounty Killer. Put your hand on your go, Bounty. Freddy. Don't you think it, Freddy?
Me ready for don't fuss it. When me read me no off it. I run guns and nobody. Bad man and no gun clapping. Keep a kid shot it. That turn over the ratty.
Tonight at Trinidad, what we do?
Ratty grass. Don't fuss it. When we do it we no off it. I run guns and nobody. Odyssey them and no gun clapping. Maki the shot it. That turn over the ratty. Don't tell me if you stop.
Turn it on. Him say, BSS now no anthem thing get reader. Me are gonna play every blood clot in that tonight. You don't know the artist here who? Junior Cat.
Shut up, I run to the town again, you know. Play Baba King. Shut up.
And Batman.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Vanessa.
But I say y'all low love bass, and this is gonna make me so no one. Bang bang bang. All over bass, and this is so put up on one.
Everybody,
because killing pussy and we kill them for fun. That's all about killing them jump and then we kill them for.
Never know who they run come this. I chat about them 9 will crew man Chris. Yes, I this we no fear no song. Man a bad man sound. Certain sound I hype up and I send they trade. But none of them no know cause them no find out yet. Got them under big curfew. Man a bad man sound. Sweet ain't know who they want to time.
Turn it up. Cock a hole. Here real Bounty Killer voice here. See real Bounty Killer voice here.
You're there for your own.
Freddy!
Our gunshot name love me a phone.
Freddy!
Based on this.
Tell him, sir.
Based on this, them gun no try logic, no try church disrespect with somebody like that. Big up Triton.
See Bounty Killer. See Bounty Killer.
Your election speak louder than bird. Based on this, you not go talk about the world so observe.
Bounty Killer again. Bounty Killer.
So now go dead. Tell them no give me no argument. Kill me come to kill baby. So this is no fake statement. We don't want mercy. Based on this in them that we gun thirsty.
Bounty Killer.
We don't no mercy. Don't get we gun thirsty. Based on this we beat like Cersei. Oh, we down no mercy.
You know what?
Sentence. We are shot where we just not show no pity. All of nation lined up with the city. Now spear a boy y'all when them dead already with the answer.
Big up everybody in the party. Me I go show you now who a blood clot tune in at this year. Everything where Jaro go play, you don't hear them already. Me I go play something when you not even know what's the BSS here. As a matter of fact, don't you?
No love. Them don't know the thing going on. One voice, you know. Lord evil, dog.
This sound with the most song in the business.
Sound we are saying, no. Some boy feel like a rampings, dog.
Like
or them feel like a talkings, dog. Them know say a dead people.
I know
them know say a dead sound them there.
You know
Odyssey, tell some pussy. Make shot bust inna them head like a foot. Inna your brain rifle shot, give you a maca choke. One load a copper shot, give you a black and a big hole inna your ass face that the shot a put. Boy chop asleep is an up your toe no choke. Shot burn your heart like a waterproof. Ninja waist burn your body like Sasa Bush. Your base Odyssey, tell some.
Guess what?
Say a shot inna your head a bust.
Let me drop some for them people actually.
Yes, Odyssey, we not show no pity. Yeah, this find my friend them. Alright. Yes, Odyssey, tell them. Promise me. You know, say you. No we try to sell it. Pass it to this Odyssey, your name must head for me, but we all about touching money for the people.
And we are kill son tonight. Hear me and I kill son tonight. Hear me no village. Just spray them like bacon. Put top up on a waist man. Boy like a race and house man with a rate and them fit know say base and this we run the nation. So we are kill son tonight. So I
Big up all dancehall people there. This is a sound clash. Me just a play some blood clot, bad sound food. I don't kick up them pussy over there. Barrington Levy, watch ya.
No sound guy, you don't know the running things here.
No way.
No idiot sound.
Champion.
Trinidad, listen to that song. Yo.
I'm not into camera all the time to count. Because this is the science, see I kill some sound. Oh, we sing this sugar that little diggly word.
It's only just begun. What's the world of war? It's not over. Yes, that they gonna murder you.
Listen, one time, you ain't.
It's about to kill you know.
Skinny, screechy. Hey, yo,
It's about to kill you know. Yo.
This is a murder mystery, so this is the man. What's you try for this, the man, them no said that them wrong.
Yo.
Kill a bounty beers. Yeah, my man. Based on this is sound.
Don't play answer already. Listen to Mucho when you want that.
We are on the
Oh, based on this is sound.
patrolling while they sleep.
Everybody go so.
Oh, what more? What the money and they do every time we sing up.
Who no sight base Odyssey, who no show that road. Till we back it up, and me gun. All the pop out the gun. All the pop out the gun. X amount of people die. Run away, make a crash shot. Remember me telling us just that.
3 more songs. 3 more songs we are playing. This is one of them strong songs too. People, I'm telling you something I don't understand. No make nobody fool you know. When me say me I get rid of them song there. You know what's a certain sound has some song when them drop your ass forward, so you have to cut down them forward them. I saw a business going, nobody telling you one blood clot. Pinchers!
Well, what a tragedy! Jump never know so when them test be aside the seat to that bring such calamity. You know so worm love kill son of variety. And they may not take no form of apology. Plus the way in a global authority. Face of this peace pass on boy like a old Jimmy. Press them like a bommy.
I don't know good music, put your hand out here! Shabba, Trinidad, you see this and this! You see this and this!
This a this are the done. This a this killer jump and we are the done. Only one on
we are the done.
This a this are the champion, we are the done. CL. We are the done.
Turn it on. Me say, Jaro, a 40 or nearly 50-year-old. BS is just 24. Me have something to tell Jaro. You see like how them born for their 60s? Jaro!
Yes, I did see every time.
Let me tell Jaro something.
Yes, I did see every time.
Jaro!
Alright, now one your name Chuck. Your lifelong, but you're careless with it. If in this space, I did say you surely know the name. Your lifelong, but you're careless with it. If in this sentence, murderation. Yes, I did say come again, murderation. Now make them nothing, murderation. Yes, I did say come again, murderation. Then you with the...
Done this one, alright. Time, I see it.
Yeah. That was based on Odyssey. This is round 2. We're not gonna stick. Next song, line up. Next song, ready? Round 2. Let's go.
Massive. Based on this, learn this. Jaro will always be a teacher for your blood clot.
You work!
Yeah, boy, I get rid of everyone you come here, I get rid of Jaro tune. People, I go and let him dig a pit for himself. Let's see how much road him I go get rid of Jaro tune then. That will show you how great me is. How can get rid of so much of Jaro tune? And Jara still stand up strong. Bass Odyssey. You're weak. Play Bass Odyssey way, man. That's the reason why you're not busting the place the right way now. Because you're concentrate on Jara tune them too much. Stick to your tune them and see if you're not bust the place in tonight. Come out of Jara lane. Yeah, baby. This is a big man thing. Tune!
Hold it. Killamanjaro is about to put a song. Oh yeah. All who have anything to say it now or forever. Hold your Ralph Clark piece because we are about to draw the millionaire. Come with the Jaro, fast. Jaja, you not see the disadvantage in here tonight. A song just in a black, red and white. Same complete fight. Jaja, see them at home. You don't know. Jaro is so dangerous. Yeah. Killamanjaro is. Take it away. Killamanjaro, come again. Do you know what it means to?
Whoa, Killamanjaro, I'm on John Wood. On the silent steps, Killamanjaro. Killamanjaro.
Hold it there. My people. Let me tell you this. A jar of this. I want to play Stocky. Bass Odyssey. Them say the race is not for the people who can endure it. Tonight I beat and teach. Una baby. Rate to know as a juggling sound on the can warriors. I don't take that from you. But if I respect that sound here. That sound here on the follow and cut tune. If you never follow the sound here and cut tune, you couldn't say I get rid of Smota Jara anthem. Allow me to tell people. Tune!
Turn this on this, sir! Turn this on this, sir!
Pick up your doubts and throw them out.
Wallet! Come! Me I'm gonna show you this now. Bass Odyssey say, he might play tune, one you never hear him play before. He play Conscience, some little juggling tune. Good artists, them and a nice tune, I'm gonna rate them artists. But you can't play regular war play on radio station for people every day. That's how I'm gonna play tune of Bass Odyssey. Everybody know. Quiet now, my people. Everybody know. Bass Odyssey build a new tune. So all you for sound build a new tune and you say I go play tune when nobody ever hear Bass Odyssey play yet. You fool, you correct a speech and don't flop yourself. Well, me I go play a tune right now in a Trinidad. What Bass Odyssey never even hear this a Jamaica. Tune!
Stop up! Sensation, see, blessed love, yeah.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa. We kill a sound early this morning. Another song by day. Where we was supposed to be out. I down at the mob instead.
Lord, Jerry Roddy bit. That's tell us some go over there to start the song last week. Tell us.
Massive! Let me show you a Jeremy Carter. Me never reach vocal around it. Listen what me I play. Gregory Isaac again. Gregory again.
Daddy Danny Naddy juggling. But Jerry Roddy Danny Naddy business. From dusk until dawn. Hey. Killamanjaro, knocking on the Lego. Who's gonna play the dad? Jerry is number one, yeah. Oh no. I heard you said to me, you wanna be the number one. You little soundboy.
What's on the man?
But no way, you little soundboy. Jerry is the
all the way, Travis, on the bad man sound. Go so. Go so.
Why? How we had the song, boy? Man. He that some boy just come from country, come try to Killamanjaro sound. Whoa, some boy just run out of town. You could have come from Rima or you come from Jungle. Could have come from Firehouse or you come from Tower. One sound, a Killamanjaro sound. Hear me now. You could have come from Libya or you come from America. Could have come from Europe or you come from Africa. Follow the sound, Killamanjaro sound.
Pull up. Massive. Let me tell you this, man. Music is a gift, you know. And that's my born for play. The boy that teach me to play music. I was born to play reggae music. Bass Odyssey. You play tune boy, you pop off leg. You come in and you play Richie Stevens, so you kill Jaro Garnet. Don't worry. You can take that one. Why you never play the one here? Chop it!
Father Jaro, Dallas Mountain, make a guy blood run like fountain if them test. Same, run things. Rubber dub sound, King Sound Jaro. If a guy test and can't live it tomorrow, remember. Wanna hear that? Watch this. Memories don't live like people do. They always stay with you. Whether the things is good or bad, Jaro will make you jump like you're mad. Wanna hear that? What is young kid do when to town to buy a nickel pony? Soak up with.
Pull up. Let me show you about Jaro is. Since as around the say I get with a Jaro tune them. You have to splice Jimmy Cliff round the way Otam James sing. Play them blood clot in tonight. You have two man who sing what about a Jimmy Cliff. What Otam James sing. Play them in tonight. Me not play fraud tune. This is Garnet Sick, only can play by Killamanjaro, no more sound in the world.
Yo! Blessed is the sound and the selector. We're willing to play them kind of music. Yeah. See? Well, this tune can only play by Killamanjaro, believe me. See? Yeah! Rastafari! Whoa!
Hallelujah!
Bless you, make a joyful noise. Make a joyful
Come on, baby, watch Trinidad. They come here and fight, baby, look for bass on this, you're telling this.
Man, legendary Junior Murray.
Tell me
that.
Tell him this.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you get wasted. It doesn't make no sense.
Level to me up there, yo. Massive. Jaro is not a bounty killer song, don't it? Jaro is not a bounty killer song, don't it? All the while you may play a bad bounty killer in this blood clot. 2 and 9 years. 2 and 9 years, tune!
Centuries, I want to them boy. Yo! The beginning of wisdom is the fear of God. Them want to start, them must see man. By the rivers of Babylon, Jaro killed souls, and there we wait. We send them as low as Zion. The wicked get carried away captivity.
All who love Father got 2 and 9 years and show me 2 and 9 years.
Jaro.
If you love Father got 2 and 9 years.
And strange land before them see God, them see the devil.
Pull up. Top. Put in this one. My gosh. My people. My people. My people. Make me wipe out my face. When I want to kill a sound. This is a heavy artist sound. Bass Odyssey. You hear me go voice, Bungie girl in the run go voice it. Yes, a repeater. All right. Let me show Bass Odyssey. Oh, bad man, blood clot sound, fire bullet. Squeeze.
Well, hear me now. You Bass Odyssey is a blood clot idiot. Jaro kill them before you ban. Jaro kill all after you ban. Jaro kill when the woman people never decide to make you ban. And I'm not talking about that woman you ban. You're dead before your blood clot ban. Oi. Pain on one. Men don't listen to the dance. Yeah, that Jaro tell Bass Odyssey. I said it's hard to be away from some sound we have to kill. And don't jump and lie for slowly drifting by. Bass Odyssey, that we tell you say that that jump and will be home in the grave where you belong. Bass Odyssey, I send it to the doublet to your bumbo class. Pay them in the one way. Hold me kill the sound in the morning, kill the sound in the evening, kill the sound at the top of the kill them when we're lonely. Kill them when we're feeling fine. Bass Odyssey is a dead blood clot and a dead bumbo clot. Dead pussy clot and a
Yeah. Rasta, time. That was the second round. Somebody say the real deal. Killamanjaro, face to face with Bass Odyssey. It's time for voting. Simple. Hands in the air. Simple, no noise. Second round. Bass Odyssey. Killamanjaro! It's clear. It's clear. Now this third round is the vocal round. My lord, you ready? There we go.
Ready long time. Remember me telling you say, I him say one come out and come say, the race is not for the swift, it's who can endure it. For me, I lick up Pitney and grow, me know that blood clot. So me tell you something. Jaro, watch out, walk on.
Yes, man, rough sound, man. Bass Odyssey, man. A boy dead now. Watch this. Kill it. Cramp and paralyzed, man. We
Trinidad, you know what?
We kill them now.
Trinidad.
Whoa, we kill them now.
Bass Odyssey now.
Whoa, we kill them.
Everybody, we have that now, yes, go.
And I sing, glory, hallelujah. We don't got no mercy.
You see tonight, Trinidad?
And nothing from some boy.
Jaro, point them and tell them, say, Jaro!
The Lord is Bass Odyssey, life and salvation.
Not your heart, all you be.
Tell me whom shall the King sound fear? No sound. And when nothing but sound come out tonight to test this sound.
Andrea Sanchez, put your hand on your legs, so put up your hand on your hey!
Since you've been gone, I've been
Hey, yo, Freddie McGregor!
tired of taking the blame. Might as well murder some boy again. Oh, sound clash that can be so unfair.
Over the years,
I'm a longing to murder someone. I know what you've been playing over the dance hall.
let me show you something. We are bad blood class, so don't make nobody fool you know. I just chew them play after we. You know what we are talking about. You don't know the trick in the business. As a matter of fact, half fine, tell Jaro something.
When I'm someone,
tell Jaro something. Got you thinking, Freddie.
But due to be a Odyssey selection, due to be a Odyssey selection, let's sound God in a different direction.
direction. You to be a sadist. Really, and truly. Be a sadist on the second fiddle.
Somebody say,
really, and truly. Be a first class. She call our name from coast to coast. Saying be a sadist, she love the most.
You know.
East, west, north, and south. Be a sadist, rock, dance, all about.
Sammy got
No lines, no games, no fronting of a car.
Hold on, turn it on. No matter how much Freddie jump up and make noise, I want him to have to tell Jara so. Listen, me have to tell Jara.
Come to the place.
Jara!
Soundbar.
We no matter who you cut, and where you are.
Have a job place.
Listen tonight.
I'm not telling you. Nothing you can do to stop yourself from dying. You better know.
Get that.
Be a sadist on your case.
Big up.
And them song you will go. Watch ya.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash.
Oh God!
Sound why I always look forward to that. Look at it now, bass that is, he got you in a ring. He's gonna whip you, show you who is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Willie answer, watch out, Junior. I don't know music, guess what, bro? Everybody want to know a bad song.
Hey, a lot of sound boy I gonna suffer tonight.
This Odyssey are the number one song. Sound boy, you are go dead in the song clash. Yes, Odyssey win that. You are go dead in the song clash. Yes, Odyssey win that.
I don't know a good music, don't. I don't know a bad, all who hear a bad blood clot song, put your two on that here, wheel in soul.
Rastafari, yes, Odyssey, number one song. Champion.
Wheel in soul!
Bout you run contest, be a Odyssey. Now you end up in the
Be a sadist song, say. Lord, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. To test me a sadist, you have to fit. Fit it. To test me a sadist, you have to fit. Fit it.
Kill them and down.
People, you ready? I know we are 24 years old. This is Killamanjaro.
What kind of sound are we playing with? Yeah.
Oh God!
What kind of sound are we playing with?
Turn it on. Oh no, what's like that sound there? Have you whole like Ghana sing them dance? Them play Bounty Killer, so why shouldn't I play a Garnet Silk? Me have Garnet Silk, we're more powerful enough with them bomber hole they have. And why you my Garnet? Put you under the blood clot here, watch out!
Salva, you dead now.
Killamanjaro!
Dead now.
Everybody!
Mr. Darcy is stepping up.
Oh!
Mr. Darcy stepping up. Oh Lord, it's rolling.
What is it?
Peace and
over years we are talking about country, you see today?
Coming from the country, with the bag that say singing.
No!
Fuck up on a song, boy. I mean, walk up jolly.
Sound dead just like that. Y'all say me never did I warn you. Now the bass and the sea hold you. Say boy, the beat that you right beat you. Come on, die. No trouble, take your Lord of God. Big the shot it a go.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad, yeah. I've been listening. I'm so glad, yeah. I listen to this Odyssey sound.
Odyssey been killing sounds over all these years, holding your head up high, always a champion. Some little song was around.
Jaro, have the most Ghana silk in our business. We don't hide that. Everybody know that, don't? But let me show you some blood clot, bad Ghana silk when me have to. Jaro, listen to this.
Rastafari. I listen first. Lord is a shepherd, I shall not want. No.
See that?
Maketh me to lie in green pastures.
I mean, we have them too. Oh.
He leadeth me beside the still waters.
Oh God!
He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my
Rub it upside, go on!
Splashing, dashing, restless sea.
Let me play one of dancehall maestro. When we talk about dancehall maestro, you don't know me at all, don't? This is Beresful Hammers. Beres!
Yeah, it's another classical occasion with another classic sound.
Jaro, let me tell Jaro something. Everybody, pop on the machine.
Sound boy, take your beating and say goodbye.
Oh God!
Make way for another either today. Don't ever tell me you can't. No, don't say that you can't. I must see this as a plenty of wine.
And the singing around this. Listen to that singing song. And listen to that singing tune.
You want so dead, just call me a Odyssey.
Yo!
Some will be dying. Why you so dead, just call it cringy.
I mean Jackie.
Some boy will be crying. Crawl on we. The body sounding dancehall.
We no matter how much nice trooper or Freddy are mapping me. And you know it's a trooper dead and gone off my sound. I might try hold you up now. You know, you think I'm bad? I blood clot bad song them when you have a save him. No, serious. All reimburse put some more under here. Let me show you something. Jaro, guess what?
Boy, what a night.
It's on the mother Freddy. Not you thinking Freddy. You see you?
I feel good. Girl, when you're wrapped up in my arms.
Yeah, pull up that blood clot. Pull up that. Bad man, we have to play there now. Yeah. One more song left. Because, you know what I talk about. We don't watch no face. We have the sound to play most in our world. All them talk about BSNC are juggling sound. Them shame them can't juggle. We are uncle blood clot sound. We can't war or juggle. We don't need to learn to do that too. You know what I talk about. As a matter of fact, one more, drop it.
Run the trap, my selector. We'll deal with it. Hey, yo! Tired of taking the blame. Might as well murder some boy again. Whoa, sound clash that can be so unfair. I'm a longing to murder. That make a murder sound and deal with them fast, see? Sound boy, you know you shouldn't taste.
What you do?
Sound boy, we beg you not to play bass Odyssey tonight.
Chase them away now. Run them out of town.
Everybody in that Trinidad. So you tell them, yo.
And if you run down bass Odyssey sound, you will never catch it. Somewhere.
Whoa. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
When the real dancehall people, watch out.
Police in helicopter. Looking for your dead sound.
You know.
Soldiers in the streets. I pick up a dead sound. Policemen in the fields. Looking for.
Alright, watch out.
Killer. We not take back shot. No.
Big up all of my country people over there, Trinidad. All of my Jamaican friends over there. You know what?
Sound boy, come to bass Odyssey school. Let him teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself. Cause tonight you know you're gonna get dead.
Because
bass Odyssey send you a burial camp. Bass Odyssey send you a burial camp, sound boy.
Lord, Lord.
All the way you drag your hands up. You know what you tell them, sir?
I heard you said to me, you wanna be the...
Them media Sunday.
What you do?
Turn them off now. Turn them off now. Turn off them fool Sunday. Oh. Them sound they are not check. Them sound they are not check. Them sit down at them yard and them a listen with cassette. But them sound they are not check.
Stop. Don't watch no face. Don't watch no face. Big up all of the blood clot people know so you know real music when you hear real music. As a matter of fact, let me tell you something. I have 2 more songs. So guess what? I'm going to jump now one day.
Be excited. Big bang. Be excited. See. A murderous son. Hey.
Somebody said.
Be sad this if found. The way to kill zinc and sound. Oh Lord, oh gosh, play them all around.
Them say time, but play one more song. Play one more.
This and
play one more. You know what?
Whoa, na 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 na, yeah. This and it's a comfort, just a little song tonight. Show him a rubber duck play. Oh well, sound boy stop playing hide and seek. Run, come, take defeat. A sound boy, you cannot run tonight. So this is come here in a different sound. Are you coming?
Yeah. Trinidad and Tobago, and we know song. And we know about song. Right. This is the vocal round. Means singer. Rasta.
Massive. Listen me carefully. Carefully now. Bass Odyssey. And you tell me that I play back when I am bound to kill her, you know. You imagine, you play Freddie McGregor push come to show and then you go back go play it again yourself. You play back your one tune 2 times. I mean, now listen, man. Massive. Bass Odyssey. Let me tell you this. Mr. Boy come from country now. Stay in a place named Port Antonio in Jamaica. And I grew with my grandmother. And my grandmother always said, Freddie, anytime you go in our next man country, show them respect. You agree with me upon that? So, me come all the way to Trinidad. And don't play one of Trinidad new sensation. One lucky place.
Yeah, man, I don't know it's me, Ice Sasha, representing Killamanjaro. I don't know the Ice Mountain. Yeah, man, I don't know Freddie Maped. Some little song boy. Dead. Boom. Bass Odyssey, you're dead. Take this don't play to your head.
Listen this boy.
Should never this the big song. Well, Odyssey. Don't you know your song is going to the line? No. Go from me this Killamanjaro. Tell them we crush you out like a fly then. Cause in the clash at the sea better.
My dream last night was about Papa Jara. Till I see I
Killamanjaro, sun going out of sorrow. Killing the sun, and we never will. Killing the
in original sound enough for years enough. Yeah man, and we have the original style. Oh, you know that, you know. Now come cross berries, man.
I'd like to tell you a story about what Jaro can do. What Jaro can do. Yeah. Listen to what I say now. When Jaro takes the dance floor, people everywhere start bowing.
Bass Odyssey, let me show you how you play vocal, boy.
Oh mama, hey, oh yeah. Hey, watch the places you walk and mind the way you talk.
Listen this boy.
Watch out for the vampire who will sneak up in the dark.
So you play vocal.
Watch out for the big time thief who claim say that them smart. Would I bring in the crack and the gun fi come mash up for you? Them are dance all around red.
Let it go, make we tell him what go, Ricky. Make we show him. You know how this? Killamanjaro to the end of time. Time. Killamanjaro to the end of time. This is Killamanjaro moment. Yeah. It's so different and so new. It's not like any other idiot song. When Killamanjaro plays for you, and doesn't need to happen. It took sound guys by surprise. I knew that they felt it too. Yes, you could see it in their eyes.
Pull up. Calm yourself. Find the general. Find the artist. Massive. When you come out to the vocal, we respond to that. When you come out to music, we respond to that. When you play in a boy style, boy always have to copy our style. When you notice I'm not bass Odyssey, I play like bass Odyssey, I play like Jaro. Yes, bass Odyssey. I love that. You understand? Bass Odyssey. Love those Garnet you play. Yes, I do. Garnet is my singer. So bass Odyssey, I give you thumbs up for those Garnets. You understand? But you know when I play Garnet, I play classic. I don't play doublet, I play special. This is Dennis Brown alongside Garnet Silk. Bass, Odyssey. Do you want two Garnet Silk to borrow? You want me to lend you two, or you want to buy two? Or you want to splice two? John!
Who is Killamanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa? Mountain of the moon. Rastafari. Now Killamanjaro, the roughest sound of the world. I want to know that. I want to take back chat. Garnet Silk, Killamanjaro. Oh, Jaro.
Hallelujah, Jaro. We are here. I'm telling you.
Kind. You're one of a kind. You're so divine, and I'm glad you are mine. Oh, Jaro, please never change, 'cause you're one of a kind. You're so divine.
Pull up, Bomba. Bass Odyssey. Only can play by Killamanjaro. Bossy. Radio. Show after. When you have tune, calm. Let me carry bass Odyssey on a speech. Just remember. Him say Freddy no bad. I just tune them with Jaro out. Well, people, since that's the tune them with Jaro out, bad, I mean a bad. Me love that. Then, if you bad then, no play no bad tune. Just use your badness and win dance. Don't play no bad tune. Just use your badness and win dance. All who saw tune win dance. Two and a here. Tune. What is it? Me still in the dead man lane, you know. Killamanjaro name. Debo!
Laugh up at them Killamanjaro, man. Laugh up at them because they're going like them a fool. One just the champ. Take it away, George Porter, and leave the matter. Jaro come again. Boy. TV, look it.
Listen this.
A lot of some gotta get themselves together. Yes.
What now?
Now that Killamanjaro is taking over TV. Whenever Killamanjaro is playing, all the massive keep jumping and prancing. No one is dying. The massive keep jumping. Listen to the sound of Jaro.
Yeah, man, brick. Michael Rose the on them case. Killamanjaro. Hey. Listen up.
Listen back, Aaron.
A shine eye sound, not a threat to the Jaro hanging. A idiot sound, boy, not a threat to the Jaro hanging. I rise early, looking turned up from early.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. From me come here, I don't play no ganja man song. Where the ganja man them there from Trinidad? What Trinidad original ganja man them there? What the man them about ganja there? Yeah, you!
What? Herbalist, Killamanjaro. Different style, hey. Body's a urban hustling, hey. Bright and early in the morning. Body's a urban hustling. I know something about these ways. In the day, body's a urban hustling.
We don't play the boy style. From night to jar, I don't play like. But look what him, I tell him this.
Yeah, man.
Tell him this. Tell him this.
They my run, come and play like Killamanjaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist still like Killamanjaro turntable. They my run, come and play like Killamanjaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist still like Killamanjaro turntable. Back in those days they used to call me Boobaroo. Shirt did tear and me never have no shoe. I put to Jah for a brighter view. Angelic me up with the Jaro crew. They my run, come and play like the Jaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist still like Jaro turntable. We never used to have bad mind. We don't take no part in crime. We only try to play our best. Thank you, Jah, you've done the rest. Now the time has changed. Jaro, now go rearrange. I've got to keep my humility while Jah bless my ability. They my run, come on, play like the Jaro. Do anything to be a fan club member. Every sound is now willing and able. One fist feel like Jaro turntable.
Pull up, pull up, pull up. No, man. Easy, easy. Come, come. So you play a song and look for song. Yeah, yeah. When me want to find the right tune to play, me make song go and play till me find the right tune. You have to be a selector. Yeah, yeah. So me play a song. Well, I don't know me talk to you. Come in here, Jaro. Massive, massive. I like to tell you the story before I play the song. I hear bass and they play a cockatoo said, turn off the idiot sound over that sound, the fool sound. All who want me counteract the tune, they're going on in a year. Can you say? The song say, them sound they are not yet, them sound they are not yet. Listen me song.
Kill them off, Jaro. Kill them all and come forward alone. Jaro!
Listen me song, you know.
Idiot sound.
Listen me song.
So, them fool sound. Whoa. Kill off them tin pan sound.
Listen up.
Jaro is them threat. Yes, we are them threat. Fret them up, fret them, you're not dog plated. Jaro are them threat. Yes, him are them threat.
Watch on the man.
The boy them a fret them all a wash with cold sweat. Kill off them idiot sound. Them idiot sound. Boy, kill off them tin pan sound.
Where's the one more? Like that. Yeah, like that. No, that's me can play one more.
This one is designed to teach an idiot sound boy that them can't test Jaro. Killamanjaro.
Well, look, come on, son. This one going on in here. Going on in here.
No. So catch this.
What's on the man?
Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana,
Time.
Thank you.
Well, that was the vocal wrong. Let's make this as fast as possible. Killamanjaro! Bass Odyssey! That round goes to Bass Odyssey. This is the fourth round. 20 minutes juggling. 20 minutes, my lord. 20 minutes, my lord. This is the real deal. Are you ready again for the fourth round? Somebody say yeah, yeah. Rasta.
You know, so me I tell them about people. No make no blood clot sound trick, you know. You see this song that when we playing at the first round, I say I get rid of them pussy their tune. And them that depend on that this around here. You know, I say for me Ghana silk when me play. But I feel blood clot them and I hear my Ghana silk sound. Don't. Let me show you something. When Squinty did that kill sound. No, serious. If you real Squinty, put your hand here. Let me show you we kill blood clot people. Yes, I'm loving that dance.
None of mercy. Bass Odyssey, none of mercy. For out in the country, none of mercy. Man like Tina One and Gamma Jane Lady, none of mercy. With the girl and the well spending, none of mercy. Ain't gonna spend it from Benny, none of mercy. I'm gonna become a nice queen, none of mercy. Margot ain't gonna sing, none of mercy. Elephant would say, I'm gonna fight Emily. Go with him, none of mercy. We can make Santos bed, ultras, just like that. None of mercy. We can make a plan for that. Well, Mama son guys, he dead. Me so make it go so then. Cause Bass Odyssey don't care. Me got me gun in on me, and I talk loud and clear. I bust like my man, you fair. Do everything, girl. I pull the trigger. Bass Odyssey, a black man, them no care. Do everything, girl.
All the ones all the matter about Bounty Clan, the baddest blood clot artists. All the ones going to put on like listen.
Oh, try don't not compass, none of mercy. Anytime it goes somebody go and drop, none of mercy. Bass Odyssey boiling hot. Boy, you're dead this time. Me got a gun and then seat and blind. When Bass Odyssey got the world nervous. So me sing. Guns out and gun on and people like John. I'm a curator. Wicked men from St. Towns. None of mercy.
I'm the most Bounty Clan in the world.
Till the people see
back to Friday.
Bass Odyssey, them a got tired to see your face. Comfortably when them a fight for your space. Them a chat behind your back, and go put them away. Why think
Killamanjaro?
Bass Odyssey, them bright and face in your outer atta. Very well down to earth. Put down the minds and take off the girl's skirt. I return law, them can't take off the skirt. Bass Odyssey gonna sue you, we gonna take interview. Don't spend us money. Nothing don't funny. Well, back we come up and we when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no excuse, me not take all of our hit. Needless to say no more, somebody's gonna go poor. Boss, me see you no more. Me big gun scare him. In farm up, me dead, me no gun there.
I just some me love. And this is a part I dance me love.
And mercy.
That's just that.
Boy, say them a bad man, but me ask when since. I put me them one convinced. Boy, me pop out, me gun faster than all the queen. Oh, your blood a run like drinks. Well, I'm going to be there, just them up.
This is a big bad business. Not a mercy.
Bass Odyssey, we left to chase like a river.
Pop up, me gun and get ready for that. The diamond, glamour cheese, you know what? Me sing chop, them start war and believe it would have done it now done. Me send for ammunition and gun. Me them got trouble, me side the last son. Those of this in the country make fun. Them other gonna get gunned down. You see it, then this Bass Odyssey see the now.
Hold on, man. Me see how this your part, that's just that. Earlier on, me see some torch a light. All who no light no Batman I ever touch, turn on the blood clot torch. If you don't know touch, put a gun on now here. Lighter, turn up, down.
Wow, Bass Odyssey, watching a larger build like O. Squinching, watching a O. Larger O, skinny, watching a mark, watching a doing, watching a worm.
Everybody,
anytime Bass in that town. Wow, we ain't the fucking come around. Yeah, New York, Miami, worldwide, England. When we are done, party boy, we not wait and say sorry. People say, well, know some sound man a carry. No once I'm reaching at the big one, finale. Girls are the priest and labry. Bass Odyssey, done, party boy.
And this is a tune, see Trinidad Junior. See Junior, we don't love Cabra.
Miami, New York, Brooklyn, right you. I'm a shotgun, Sultansville. Anyway, let's have Robson. Well then, this me, let me be gone. Bass Odyssey, we know no story. Play, black none, got no fling rock. This wicked man may kill your whole family. Because diss me, and me bigger than the street. You will never live to tell people you do it when you're this bad man and them big gun. I've been locking in bazooka, I be a murder, I be a gunshot now. Yabba dabba do this Saint Fred Flintstone.
Wicked Jara Walker, kill them tonight again. Kill them again tonight.
What we say, we sing say, send them come, send them one by one. I make show them how we stay and show them how we can. Send them come, send them one by one. I make.
And this is squid you up here. I don't want to squid you up here.
Gun no stick any stick a shot a stick in a boy. We no box and kick a shot a kick in a boy. Papa I speak in a boy. Make doctor boot trip in a boy. Say them attack ya.
Turn it on. People. Who don't think about to kill alone a bad artist? Who don't know the next bad artist are who? All real Buju Banton, put it to one eye.
This is not a special, it's a sample. And try with sound boy some musical example.
Everybody, we have something here, sir.
Hey, Gringo, pass me my pistolero. While you're at it, I need my sombrero.
Not in Jara, 1 per 1 tonight.
Yeah, you know this.
1 per 1. 1-on-1.
Keith.
We have something here.
Original squid.
You don't know man if you back you up tonight.
Pass me the shotgun and cut off. On the blood clot, you know.
Give me respect. Hey.
And this now we are them and we are them to home the flag.
Suck your mama. Suck your mama. Suck your mama.
Dirty Freddy.
I wear the blood clot to take a this far. If Jamaica ever legalize gun
to murder body one will be the greatest.
Me nah said nothing at all. Me nah say one blood clot. Everybody at Trinidad, listen to this.
Fam you never fuck about it for your band. Me want feel gunshot in the ear now. Here now. Fam you never suck a pussy for your band. Me want feel gunshot in the ear now. Here now. Me say that's it fam you know in a body man and you know bow.
Everybody take a rock, take a kerchief. Take some away from here. Hey.
So that's the I live it every time. This and this about all the while. Show them how you wicked and wild. Say that one now. Oh, never fuck no pussy, sissy. Pull up on the one in the evening, sissy. Oh, never fuck no body, titty. Pull up on the one Woman with lotion, we no lotion man. Woman with powder, we no powder man. Woman with lotion, we no lotion man.
You don't know what I Squingy me learn from? When Squingy kill blood clot son, guess what?
That's the one time country spend the wing. Blood clot with them, Damien one to them. Worm. Yes, I say, no gun with shot Odyssey them burst. All informer, some not dead first. No gun with shot wicked members. Odyssey back them gun them not pet neither. You to be your informer, that is not a nice work. Your time not before you.
Turn it on. You know what I say? Since World Clash at Jamaica, when BSS and Jara go tune for tune, them start get it. That pussy then ain't up here, nowhere. Fun day that year. No, them start get it. Just before that clash there. Guess what? Before World Clash.
See the son boy. Shibada is calling your name. Son boy, say no, he loves you the same.
You know why Jaro do not like this and this? As I said before, we are the hungry blood clot sound of the business. We can war or juggle. Them not like we, enough sound not like we. But the pussy them can't do nothing about it. You have some Facebook bad blood. You see the Facebook pussy well them, jump around them and show them something.
I can't the conscious spang. Yeah, me not really keep the fire burning. Listen, I want them.
No bad like this. When I'm one or reach you, them a heal you. Them not like you, them a heal you.
Yo, me just make them know one thing. Me said that one a name. Them not like we and we not like them. Them are we enemy, we and them no friend. Them not like we and we not like them. Yes, I say, I go down the one, them we come again. We burn up.
I don't know who I'm here, say artist. I don't know who's a bounty. It's a bounty.
It's Bounty. Hey, yo! One time, Tony Black, Damien, Worm, the world confirmed. They said they say, you murder boy. All 4 seasons of the year and it up. It's not the wrong thing, some guys willing.
Watch out.
What a thing. They said this is gonna love cowboy, we gonna love Indian. Seem like a boy you play counteraction. The spear cowboy, me gonna spear Indian. The riding west, them shouldn't have crown me song. So long time me riding and me riding.
You know some me have more bounty killer than the amount of Ghana still we have. Me have more bounty killer.
They said this without a delay.
Watch out.
Them want us, they said this tell them fi come. Them run out a look and glamour kill them fi fun. Love bloodshot the latest we come down. A son I go dead before the rising sun. Boy fly like them, they better drive like jar.
I don't know, sir. Me can't play pure bounty killer in another round. Me can't play blood clot bounty killer till the hot. Till sun come up. If you think of life, you real bounty, put your hand on your like some.
Kitty, Billy, country Spain.
Bleach out, General.
Good shot to them face, cause them come fit trace. Them boy tongue them roll like a leaf and great. I don't feel about come out here. Blood clot life done out here.
Well, that's it funny.
Who's the one left for nobody don't know if he come out here. I see if the one who know nothing run out here. Me now what I extra dollar from the promoter. So what? Anybody but this or this out here. No for them I'm out, I see them a big touter. Them no know about Rushable and no so
when I say bounty, you say killer. Bounty. Bounty.
Bounty. No mercy. Yes, I say, murder any one of them. See, we did done again. We got take up the camp, so we did one again. Them a get pull it and me pull back me hammer.
Turn it down. Everybody. Serious. What do I select for Jaro? Everybody pine for them. Pine for Jaro selected them. Pine for them. Freddy, I don't thinking Muppet. Freddy and Muppet. Everybody pine for Jaro. Cut the part.
Gasa kaut your mama. Bena, hoy. Do you know that face what they say ya they
turn it on. We killed them in a world clash last year. Them want to spear us so them take data Trinidad tonight. Don't you think it's ready?
Tell them walk with them casket. Tonight them a go blood clot dead. Gunshot a bust inna them blood clot head. Me pussy them want stop for breath. Fuck the music.
Turn it on. When you hear song when we play with Uno artists, we have some Freddy and Batman. When you didn't hear it, listen to that one here, listen. I'm a phone artist, but listen what song I say.
Time, you know it's got 10 and told them, sentence. Yeah, you know, 10. Yeah. Yes, I see not time for call, but the area John Paul got him, he rise one tall, shot him, he kill Batman. Me the woman tall, cocky them real and ball papi. So me and them Jackie will right y'all. No way to someone tell Jackie me put no but you party.
He come up here and cussing, wipe sweating, cuss. He trace like some big pussy girl. Say him and a bad selector, a Jaro through them bad and you know me I talk about? Me not say nothing at all. Everybody there, listen to that song here.
Original bunch glass up, we shop in the mind, man, ask. Here's the nitty country.
Yo,
Lord of mercy. Here's the nitty. Tell them, love what Jesus. I got your spy that me die, cop a shot in a them part, or in a them eye.
People, more play with bounty killer. Every sound I cut bounty killer, but them don't remember that one ya. Them never remember that one ya. All who listen to me say long blood clot time. Put your hand away for fast like so fast.
Yes, what this say? We kill people anytime, anywhere. Anyhow, bomber clad, batty boy, you're dead now. No long talking.
Some boy we for world class we kill
so this come walk.
If me not take world class, can't kill.
Winchen, one time, Lexi. Hey, yo, Charlie Club. Shooter. Hey, yo, Dwayne. Hey, yo, Daniel Worm. Motherfucking niggas can't learn.
This is already me.
Simpsons. Jaltigo Bay. Kingston. Yo, TG Jungle, Southside, Worldwide. New York. London. Canada. Europe. Yes, this man a killer. Don't need a reason to kill. Or do we need special season to kill? Sound boy said them a killer, but they ain't got to chill. To bullet up people and what's in kill me a killer. No delay or pass to kill.
So me a say, base of this eh. I wanna alone a blade so. Base of this eh. Rise the machines where you 5.56 caliber. I am clear one, Mobby. Flanker, feel it. Base of this eh. Touch the road, we clip them loads, burn touch the clothes. Very proud
Who know our big forward now? Who know our bunch here, sir? Bunch here, sir? All we have to know artists, we are something out here, so no!
Best Odyssey, bunch of gal in and tell them Vikings, hey, best Odyssey play the whole place. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Best Odyssey, bunch of gal in and tell them listen, Vikings, hey, best Odyssey play the whole place. Turn up, 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 turn up. When you play the whole crowd, hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up, hand up. Hand up, hey, word. Yes, I see. How much time we tell them in a this sound business man cannot be a cupboard.
When we play for no big artists, me have to play one of the world artists now. Bob Marley Pitney, him name Junior God. All who know bad blood clot tune in here, put your hand here like so. Put up your hand. Soon every rhythm me play, me can't play a bounty killer upon rhythm. Watch out.
Get out. Damien, boom, bang, counting. Yes, and this is it. Man no pause when man no kill people. In a the ghetto is a
Yeah. Take your hand off of your head. The woman are dead. Yeah. Blood clot, you. Take your hand off of your head, man.
Real deal! Wanna make some noise, sir?
Oh, no. Trinidad, mama talk, cause we don't talk from night. A tune for tune after the run. A blood clot base of the zone. And a pre no meds. Oh, no, no, DJ song can't play a tune for tune. All you agree with me, two in the blood clot here. Me can't come at Trinidad and not play the bad bujo. And a tune for tune I come next. Me bumbo clot, Damien man. Weak. The bujo that this is the big bass of this out. In no play. Trinidad a kill we come to kill people. Calm and second. Yes, bass of this. Yeah, man, I love them bounty killer there. They're warm. But you see me? Me a band gallus. No. So, how me fi play be a bounty killer in a row? That mean I have no holy patron. Thank God for bounty killer. And my artist who I'm rate him. But Bass of this, Trinidad me there. Listen now, me gonna start this round now.
Well, it's the Warrington from Clarendon. Merciless. Everybody knows the Killamanjaro gun them burst the best. Yo, Belmont, Diego Martin. Yo, Carnage, Shigona, say, I hear me Pine 14. San Fernando, Chin City. Yeah, hear me Arima. Loventil, Bourgeois, Couva. Well, hold it. Trinidad, I want me Fido. Boss bass of this year in a toe. Bring a flash in a O2 park tonight. Mario flash in a O2 park tonight. Damien a coward. Worm is a bowers. Keith catch legs. See a gear man headers. Tonight the whole of bass of this crew a ton deaders. Now friend them.
Freddy Conga, My bed, in a Trinidad. Based on the dead. Freddy Conga, My bed. Tunji Montana. Killamanjaro bust up the place when he spend them plate in the city. Bum. Tonight in a Trinidad we a kill Odyssey without pity. Murder, call it murder. Odyssey ball for murder. Jaro bust up the plate, him a bust up the plate like a suicide bomber. Freddy Conga, My bed, in a Trinidad. Based Odyssey dead. Tada! Freddy Conga, My bed. Tunji Montana. Killamanjaro bust up the place when he spend them plate in the city. Bum. Tonight in a Trinidad we a kill Odyssey without pity. Murder, call it murder. Odyssey ball for murder. Jaro bust up the plate, him a bust up the plate like a suicide bomber. It Italy, France, Belgium, Barcelona, London, looking for the song, even Obama. Can't find the song like Saddam and Osama, Killamanjaro in Trinidad. This the plate, better than the Taliban, better than the... Freddie Kogan.
Trinidad! Bass on the Killamanjaro. All who saw Jaro anybody, store here. No play. Massive. Bass on this a bad sound, you know. But bass on this, we know this. And we said this a blood clot bass on this. What bass on this when Jaro killed blood clots under the 80s. With Germany, Supercat, Ninja Man, Ricky Trooper, baddest blood clot selected for the face of the earth. Bass on this, understand yourself. And we give the blood clot life when you look at baby before you turn a shooter. Boy, relax.
Bye. Killamanjaro make the fool them die. Here I know. No respect, disrespect. In all aspects, some sound don't know who them are deal with. Them stop and check. Go on them disrespect. In all aspects, them don't know who them are deal with.
Bass on this. Big up Bounty Killer, bad DJ. Every blood clot big son in the world can play Bounty Killer. How much only can play blood clot super cat?
Tell spread them back, man. That is your rice bound top and it's a trap life trap, man. I am tell them trooper, man. With a powder people, man. Anyway, we got people dead. I cancel the disappointment. Jump on some boy claim that I come here so fit on the heat. How about the sound in the land where you play right? You know I want you know with all the people's heartbeat. How about make me tell you no this? Me say tonight you no gonna get the read. Because your mama ban a belly and the doctor with the stretcher and them come up on your face and with the sheet make a tell it about murder that you know upon this spot I may say murder that.
Stop! Bass on this. What don't know? Every blood clot bad sound in the world can be a Bounty Killer. Proving thing me I prove to you. Super cat!
God is the great killer for Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. If you look the first time, man, step by last and I do not rate one out of the fall jump and so me struck by pure Papa John. But me say pretty bitty man, pretty bitty man. Well, hear this. How do them look at two tin can and jump on you? I'm in a low gracious man. They can man know say you're a champion, man. Super cat. Run the track. One man more sound up dead man who for die house. Papa John him don't know why. Oh me, oh my. A Papa John him say please tell me why. Why all them old pants on you have to die? I to them want to say I'm not sure anymore. I'm a
Check. Oi. More super cat, but we are the tune bad. All the battery fly out. The way the tune bad, all the battery fly out. Put in more super cat in the turntable. We load it on the blood clot there. More super cat. Oh, I don't know. When they come out to super cat, who run that? Jaro!
Morning. All sound boy dads are running. Tell them Papa Jaro taking off. It's like a jumbo jet leaving on a runway. Tell them I'm dead. Them dead this evening. Fire! Cause when we come, watch out and make we come down. Watch out, make we come down. Jaro, what come down? And him a come down. For some of them coming and shock and some of them come and so that them done. But Jaro come, then come for cycle down.
Pull up. Easy down, no man. Easy down. We don't reach us yet. A Killamanjaro is a giant sound. What do you feel like? Killamanjaro, the giant sound and the bad sound. Shabba!
Jaro! Send it straight into the man. Now here is the powers. Yes, Wicked Trooper. Every time, son. Chan. Jaro! Yes, Buggy. How does the time? What a mercy. I'm not going to a circus, I'm not going to a circus. Even the Killamanjaro, Shabba Rankin will be here to give you the type of music that people want to hear. If there's the people boom up like a nuclear, Killamanjaro in the place. So get up, stand up and rock. Even the music that you want to get up, stand up and rock. Tell them Taro bring the agony. Get up, stand up and rock. That's why people don't feel like we get up, stand up and rock. Even the music that you want to get it.
Based on this, one artist up here now, one row in afraid of nobody. All the respect, cartel, cartel.
No back from no war. Hey, I'm a crazy. Cut it blood clot shot. Jaro, it no take me nothing to murder them why they a baby. All them a pre, Freddy Krueger ready. Crazy rifle them grease like a pot full of gravy. No he could create it, genius no most. It no take me nothing to murder them why they a baby. Kalishnik I'm ready and me got till it's steady. Bust it up till it breeze. Skin out like lady. He use the load fast. Freddy Krueger say boom. Rifle shot make your skull pop. Your bull stop. You must drop. No take no chance. He must back when buck shot from the touch back. I top them ribs cage like the mouse trap with the shot. Magic Babylon spin like Charlie Tata when you flush that.
Pull up. Easy. Calm on yourself. Calm on yourself, me people. Calm on yourself, me people. Calm on yourself. Bad man sound this, you know. Bass of this here, party sound. One man a play a song, man play a bad man song. How I don't know? On our party sound, and on the bad man song. Eh? Yeah, play tune in Shibada. You know bad man song. Man a play no blood clot tune in Shibada. Man sound a bad man, so no I'm telling you. You cannot play tune a big up blood clot batty man. All who now big up my batty man in on a tune. Go on in our ear. Bass of this is warm to you. We play the most dead artists in the business. You know a tune like this one, yeah. Early be the doctor.
Well, dreadlocks, second Michael Tolo. I found a style. Right. It named the visit of the King Selassie I. Visit of the King Selassie I. Lord, it was the year 1966. Well, dreadlocks, second Michael Tolo. I found a style. Right. It named the visit of the King Selassie I. Visit of the King Selassie I. Lord, it was the year 1966 when Selassie I made a visit. Me say Rasta make the Babylon them look like rubbish. Lord, thousands of people judge I know the crowd tickle. It was good weather but the rain did a drip. Me say every dreadlock on them a burn up a cliff. Say when the plane land me hear the Rasta music. Say rain stop fall, rainbow come quicker. Up on the plane wing a flock of white bird picture. Selassie come out with him lion.
Pull up. Massive. Easy. What do you? King Jar this, you know. Bad man sound. We not play one way. Early be the doctor that pass and gone but not forgotten. Now go play one of Jar original DJ again. Original DJ, BHR original DJ, me a go now. This is I'm out.
If I'm killing anyone, let me hear no holla Papa Jaro. Is it Freddy you're killing on? What is Jaro? Kill them, come on. I said tribute to Jaro, the great sound killer, the greatest sound. We come out ever. Only sound we go up and back of it with him soldier Freddy. Raising don't play lightning and thunder. Don't play chopper boy, blood run like river. Them don't know where the bird Jaro stand. He stand for killing machine and cloud leader, killing everyone.
Jaro DJ me a play again. Jaro DJ me a play again. That me a tell you no. No. Me no reach us so yet. When you ready for Jaro DJ again? Me no play stocky. Me no play one artist right through me round. Me no fuck my girl one when me give her back shot, side shot, all different type of shot. Fuck her in the kitchen. Me no play bounty killer in one whole round. One artist you have, Jaro DJ, Ninja Man.
Yo, we're not afraid to talk, sitting dead before blood clot light and dead in the dark. You hear me? Right in that Trinidad, you're saying O2 park and they're in that front teeth, gold teeth, Dan Gargan after. I wouldn't feel like Jaro bust a blood clot head. No, read him up, specializing in killing, not talking. I wouldn't fool you come from. Right, the 16 bus, they want kill him in front of station, man just come from. I wouldn't feel like. Bring him in the one. Jaro, shoot off the pussy head, yes. I put on the believe it. But I hear when bass at this is saying,
Him a go shoot up Jaro, him a go juke me like a poison dart. He's a blood clot idiot. I'm gonna show you what we run down, show you what we kill the jump and them Jaro. Show them how we make people jump from a east to north. But put you this and this. Hey, if you live in a glass house. I said the seek ye first the kingdom of heaven and earth shall be added unto you. I said let me rise and let my enemies scatter. I said let them take me, flee before me, and smoke it in the way, so jam the way as walk me to the report of fire, so a wicked person and presence of God. Let the righteous be glad, exalt him, glad, sing unto God, sing praise his name, and exalt him that ride upon the heavens by his name. Jah! And Jah put their fallness, God no habitation. Based on this, you're dead. Read him, coming from the Bible way. In the name of Jesus. Read him up. Be them in the one. Man, no listen to the Dan. Listen this boy. Carefully. Tell him this. Before you die, base and see. Wanna seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now. Watch for now. And believe in his words. Confess your sins the way. Jar ready to go murder your sound. Before you die, wanna seek the Lord. Take me aside, this is me tell you, the river say, earth from me put in the dead. Long time. Based on this, you never kill Jaro Sonia. Listen to Marty Killaya.
How would them feel like? How would them tell like that? Killamanjaro counted don't know the world we are to. Some of them never kill a sound, much less send some hell. Them rise against Jaro, in a minute them fell. Get the plate in a dead. Them out them brains hell. See me and me gun them and them style me like a hurt. Now them dead without them head they are dirt. Killamanjaro in concert. Ready to tell a boy, if him bad well sell my pet shirt. In a split of a second, them must get hurt. Them get gun down, in the middle of gun down. Me silent gun when I make no sound. Now your blood you're going to be like
face of this Lord of that. As long as you're not on this face of the earth. Yes, I can play against Jaro and go on good. But you can't kill a blood class on your base of this. Never on the face of the earth.
Kill bomber class sound. Killamanjaro, we go to suck your man. Me say we gunshot them. Them sound they a bar with me a Batman friend. Me hate say she bad in a car with them. How RuPaul fi a spar with them. Oh God, no them the sound we catching at the pharmacy a buy pad. But them a buy rock, pussy all your life bad. Anytime me catch them sound they have to attack for you just like Killamanjaro. Go kick you in your face. Gunshot in your heart. Freddy ma murder your bumper clot or your Batman ways. You can't walk for.
Pull up. Massive. Yeah. You see the sound here? Calm on yourself, man. Calm on yourself. We not reach nowhere to the dance. We not reach away to the dance yet. A King Jardis. No. Whoa. Calm on yourself, my people and my fans. We've been waiting for this for how much years? Now go get it? Eh? Jaro this. The tallest mountain. The baddest sound in the world. I said that without apology. Based on this, you can't kill the sound as long as me's alive and breath are blowing at this body boy. You got to see the sound and respect it.
No, you are going now. The race is not for the swift.
You dead.
But for who can endure.
You dead.
But for sound test Jaro, he's going to find himself on the floor.
You dead.
Rastafari. You want no one else Jaro come from. Jaro, original roughneck sound.
Bury the boy.
No one forevermore. Jaro gonna keep scoring. You know. We've got to score.
Whoa, Jaro. Ooh, Jaro.
Turn this on this, sister. Turn this on that.
Hey. Put on the pressure, Jaro, fling on the heat. Killamanjaro, rule the street. Put on the pressure, Jaro, fling on the heat. If you test Jaro, make your life to complete. Put on the pressure, Jaro, fling on the heat. Killamanjaro, rule the street. Put on the pressure, Jaro, fling on the heat. If you test, you make your life all to complete. Jaro certain tune and them hearts keep a beat. For certain style, them eyes go with me. People of the world say, Jaro, you're too sweet. If you test, you make your life all to complete. Put on the pressure, Jaro, fling on the heat.
Pull up. Places like Master Griffith.
I'm going to say, I'm going to let you know his enemies be scattered. That burn we are burn them. Hey, you don't know, you man, big up Freddy, I don't know Alice Selassie the Almighty. Your sister Kalonji Station. You man, big up Master Griffith, because them don't know. Say, yo, kick it with them. I Shem Tadias,
from north to south, east to west, Killamanjaro is the best. Master Griffith says so. No, son boy, listen up. This one into your head.
Whoa, sister
rock a lunge upon Killamanjaro. Hey, when I beg with no borrow. Let out another box. Listen up.
When Jaro play in the dance all night,
say what?
No other someone can put up no fight. Didn't you know Jaro would show you down? It doesn't pay for you to test his sound.
What's this, kill them sound every time. I tear around the place, we kill a sound every time. And we slap them in the place, we kill a sound every time. A friend around the place, we kill a sound every time. Okay, some boy I wonder how come Killamanjaro perform so. Come the sound boy, I'm that's why that sound every so. Come the police and
pull up. Them song are a regular song. Not tune for them song.
Yeah. Original band to leave themselves on them case. Original say vintage. Attack. It's original.
Listen this now.
I'm not into camera, the challenge to count. We go listen to rock, oh, and throw them down. Shiddly waddly whoa. Sing. Like when you go to Toro, it's like a stage show. You have band that sing DJ and low. Let me select the
Listen up.
Sing. Jaro is broad. We're broad. And broader than broad.
Existence, not southwest and east, miracles never see shine, etc. I wanna know. Alright, run the track. No true for Keith and Tony, then think we're on it. I'm doing them rock around it. Watch this, man. Sound boy.
Yeah, why you love Jaro song? Come on in here. Challenge.
Killamanjaro's the sound that shine and listens. Always on the run. You're running away. It's the sound that sounds dreamer.
One more song, that's all.
Now you're here like you've been before, man. You know just what I need. It took.
Pull up. Let me play my final tune. I want to play an original song again, you know. I jar this, you know. The song is a big song. And before I play this song, saying Trinidad people know music. Saying, but you have some songs big all over the world, and maybe don't big in Trinidad. But the song is a big international song. Saying, I'm here come to Trinidad, I'm have to play this. This is Apple Gabriel. Lego Steel.
Yes, this is Apple Gabriel with Killamanjaro, super high power, with man called Papa Jaro and the crew. So get on
request to all
when let's go boogaloo on this barbecue, yeah. And did you say?
All who know what tune going on in here, that show me. All who know that tune, put your gun on in here. Put your gun on in here.
Jaro kill us on permanently. Rubber dub sound differently.
Yeah. Wrong 4. Is it gonna be Killamanjaro? Is it based on the sea? Based on the sea. Well, it's 2 for 2. Somebody's gonna get killed. Who's it gonna be? It's 2 for 2. Oh, you never know. Big shout going out to all the sponsors making it possible, of course. It's the real deal. Yes, man. Got to know we got a shout out Woodford Cafe, Cache, Basel Sports, G-Spot Lounge Devs, and of course Lullaby. Well, we have the tune for tune. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Also special thanks going out to Sentinel from Germany, Easy Barry Hype, all Miami crew, Bungie, where Gallin? Gallin, sweetie thing away and gone. All the way Gallin. Gallin gone, boy. Supersonic from Germany, Easy the coach, Hoppy. Big up Hoppy, he turned coach today. Yeah. Easy Piper, Wendell from Tree Canal. Well, it's dub for dub. Simple. No noise. When a tune play and I call the respective sound, you just push your hand up in the air if you beat properly tonight. Simple. If your arm not smell stink, push it up in the air and vote for the representative song. Big up 8-track, all Covin Road crew, they go Martin Crew, you don't know. Yeah. So, we reach for a song to get right off. Are you ready? This is the final round. We call it tune for tune. Based on this, Killamanjaro. This is the real deal. 2013. Sound systems, you ready? Yo.
On so me not telling about when I get rid of them sang them in the first round. Those were the music. Them did that depend on in this year round here. You don't realize them have to draw for the tenor song, the nitty-gritty. Them sang the way they used to play in a tune for tune because them in a trouble them have to draw for them and then they say, yo, no the DJ tune can't play in a tune for tune. No make no blood clot, body fool, no. Them have to draw for the tenor song, the nitty-gritty of them sang there. Draw for them. You know so me I talk about them alone are Super Cat. And them said Super Cat bad. Big up Super Cat, but Bounty Killer, bad no blood clot. You know see the fire them for Bounty Killer. Let me show you why me hold back this a tune. At least a tune them afraid of. All who come from country, put the country at now here like so. But
what the tune I'm about to play is a bass and this is a sample. So every song wants an example. Now the man thank you, this is a
afraid of. And this is afraid of. Trinidad. Yo!
This is the great bass and this is out of Alexandra.
Tune for tune, you ready? Yo, tune for tune. Ready now?
Massive. Calm on yourself. Big man, boy. Oh, you feel like Jamaica come a blood clot Trinidad and tune for tune and play a DJ tune. Me respect Buju Banton from me heart. But you cannot come and play DJ tune in a tune for tune bass of this. Shame on you. Let Jaro take it to the tune for tune school.
Rastafari. Now when I say Rasta, I cover every crib singing. All kind of light up. Now Jaro the roughest thing since sound business. Saying, and we don't drink alcohol, so don't matter feel like we're not getting it. Oh, whoa.
Hallelujah, Jaro, what's on now? Tell me answer this and this.
Jaro, a robot love.
Excuse me. First up for them, Killamanjaro. Based on the sea. Hold on. No noise. Jason. Killamanjaro. Based on the sea. All right.
Respect Ghana Silk. Them arts are big. We can't go around that. We can't say nothing about that. A big blood clot tune. Don't. Big tune. When big tune play for respect, big tune. When a business war go on. Jaro. We killing our be a world clash. And come back tonight for proof. We build them now, and we are going to blood clash, shot them again. We kill them, we'll build back them duppy, and we are going to kill them again. So Jaro, guess what again?
But this are the same. Father be praised. Ah, yes.
Now we kill Jaro again. You see last year a world clash. Jaro, this is what you want to play.
Jaro. You done dead already. And what you done dead already.
Next song, ready?
Check. Massive. Oh, what is? He might come play burial and ring the alarm, but Jaro done dead already. All who say Jaro dead and a false alarm, that blood clot. Two and a year. Nitty-gritty.
For the love.
Nitty-gritty, tell him this.
For the love. Talk about Jaro doggy.
Hold on. Quick. Killamanjaro. No noise, all your God, boy. Based on the sea. Jesus. All right.
No worry about that. Early pace setter. You remember like football, them score the first goal. I just rally back and bust up them blood clot. You know what I talk about? This is Stutz and the Meters. Jump on them.
No. Yeah. Get your hands in the air,
Everybody know what bass and this and Jaro play for night. Yeah, blood clot. You have some fraud Jimmy Cliff around them, you wait on them blood clot too. Take us off!
Run away, run away, run away, you better go astray.
You never hear them turn us on yet, boy. Turn us on. Tell me yes or this it is.
Worries and trouble, not the dance hall. Sorrow in my pain, not the dance hall.
Yeah. Hold on. Don't part them. Forget that. Killamanjaro. Based on this scene. All right. The grounds are favorable.
This what I talk about. We start scorp on them blood clot now. We're gonna change them name from Killamanjaro to where something where the people in that Jaro. That's something that hamburger, that sausage sitting there. We are gonna change them name. Then name Jaro now. Don't. Remember show you we bust up boy, bumbo clot. Watch ya.
Ah, the side. Dynamite. Hit the road, sound boy, and don't you come back no more. Hit the road, sound boy. Don't you come back no more. Trinidad. So before this is the sound is a chatter.
How the blood clot man come talk about hit the road? You think a blood clot cartoon man come here and watch about hit the road, Jack? Hey, batty boy, tell us up.
Turn us on. Tell him batty boy this. Tell him this.
What them a do, and me say where them a try. Trying and them trying to die.
Hold on, man. Based on this scene. Killamanjaro. Okay.
Trinidad. You don't want to hear phone artists now? You don't know who me I go pay now? Anytime this is youth anywhere in the world, in big up Trinidad. All the real Lucian and put you in the ear. Guess what we are going to do with them?
Kill them now. Lucian and the gangster singers.
No.
Kill them now.
Lucian.
Kill some sound. Kill some jump and sound.
Trinidad, why you
do? See give them a seed about casket. Another song boy keep the bucket.
Massive. How are you see? Where you see boy? You think me see a bullet when me come a war? You think me see a bullet when me come a war? Turn us off!
There is trouble in your way every night and day. Every night and day.
What you trying to find? Come tell him.
There is trouble in your way every day. Papa John.
Yeah. Let's make this quick. Killamanjaro. Based on this scene. Based on this scene.
Well, play a little while. Trouble in our trouble in your mama pussy. Suck your mama dirty thinking funny about trouble in our trouble in my blood clot. I gotta roll over them pussy wall. All who confesses so that hand in the blood clot here, I'm sure Jaro something.
Have a seat.
In the business. We kill them a war clash as it tonight. In a tune.
When we kill a sound, we kill them forever.
Yes, I did say. When you kill a sound, you kill them forever. That's true. But not Killamanjaro. The Sonia you want to kill, boy, you mad? You don't have no song for kill the Sonia. Let loose!
Here's the squeeze make no way out. How the song should test Jerry must be a damn IDIOT. Idiot. Hey. Kill them again, Jaro.
Tell me yes or this. Tell me yes or this.
So is it?
Tell him this.
Calling the undertaker. Take another one to the nearest cemetery. Calling the undertaker. Take another bit on the stretcher. Evacuate the premises.
Pull up!
Who? This Odyssey? Killamanjaro. What's the score, Titan? How much? 4 playing 2. Killamanjaro 4. BS Odyssey 2. Right.
Hold on. So it's a 4-3. 4-2. Anything not go give a fuck. I kill me come for kill. People. Killamanjaro. Garnet Silk are some bad Garnet Silk. I don't expect them. Don't. Because of them have the most Garnet Silk in the blood clot world. But it's when me play a Garnet Silk, a sample. Because you see Garnet Silk, a Jaro student used to vice, you know. So just vice some song. Just sing. When we have vice Garnet, trying to fool with student, we have to do them special. All who want to see your Garnet Silk kill Pussy World Jaro and about their own student. Watch out. Respect this vice. Jaro student is vice. Jaro student is vice. Jaro!
Oh me, oh my, and the sound bound to die.
But Garnet! This is sound I can't blood clot, they unstoppable. Garnet!
What a thing. Jaro is the thing. Jaro can defeat you. Jaro is gonna murder you.
Okay, quick. Based on this, Killamanjaro. Based on this.
When you saw me, I tell them about Garnet Silk, give them free tune. Me say we have to pay for that blood clot. So when we are spread with money, we have to put effort in the blood clot song them. All the way on next brother Garnet Silk on that blood clot. Put your hand here, watch out.
Rastafari and I.
Not you thinking, Freddy.
Let them keep talking. Oh Lord.
Point them.
Freddy. Let them talk, keep them talking.
My gosh. Oh gosh. Bad Garnet that. Well on base of this. Garnet a full artist. You think you can stick up the sound here? You think we are press button? We come here to unleash tune for them people here. You think we are press button? In base of this one, you never kill a sound and you can't kill this. Me a play tune unstoppable. Tune a voice. Listen this, Trinidad, listen this.
You seeks of only vanity and no love for Jaro sound shall fade away.
Killamanjaro! Based on this, all right, the war is on.
Let me show you something again. Me, where that? Garnet Silk, I feel them artists, you know. Me, I go play what Garnet Silk with them no have. This is Garnet Silk, Cockatoo, and Charlie Chaplin. One in the blood clot world.
How blessed is the Lord thy God, and blessed are they that
One
his
in
word.
the world.
That you receive it, be a Sadducee, and receive it, who have said it.
Next song.
Massive. Well, massive. I have that Garnet, you know. But I don't want to play it. Can I play it already? Me have the Garnet there. Shut up your mouth, youth. But I don't. Me come here to play back the song. If you need bet, me no want to tell me so me can't play it. I would. No. Me not have the three of them in a combination. But how much of them you hear a while ago? How much of them when you hear him play? No one. No Garnet alone. I know Garnet they call their name. Unleash Garnet again.
Based on this, Killamanjaro. No noise. No noise. Based on this, Killamanjaro. All right. Based on this.
You know what's a free Garnet Silk sound? Them should have played some bad bomb clock Garnet Silk or that. Like come here bad bounty clock, them can't play. You see me I talk about? People, no, more play with artists. We are holy person now play. Who remember King Yellowman? Who remember Yellowman?
This is King Yellowman. Respect every time. Boy, that's all.
But the Jara rhythm, so Jara rhythm is still up. A Jara rhythm is still. Yeah!
Yes, Odyssey.
No, sir. Hey.
Watch out. Zungu, 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 zen.
Yo. People. Want to listen to me carefully now. Listen to me carefully. You see this dance? If I now win this dance, because me stick to all big man player. You think me can come at Trinidad? Everybody in the world are original sound man. Know how tune for tune go. Why should I play DJ tune and a tune for tune? People, if you are bad sound, reality. Saying, big up yellow man a bad song that. But it's impossible, people. For big Killamanjaro left from Jamaica and come here and play DJ tune in a tune for tune. No, people, you don't be shame of me for do that. I wouldn't do that, people. I swear from my heart. You see me? Me rather dead by sticking to the right thing about the music than straight and do the wrong thing. All who agree, me gone in a year.
We tell them say George looks this man and a Jaro, Killamanjaro. We are hey yo, yeah, man. Enough sound a war, and enough sound are dead, but you see when Jaro come about, a sound boy have it dead. Remember me tell you that, man. Jaro been dancing and sound boy.
All the way, yes, I'm content soon.
Time boy.
Go down in here. Go down in here. Time this is
a burial smile.
Alright. Based on this, Killamanjaro. Big up Umba Maximila for making the outsiders know everything what's going on. Right? Who went around? Based on this, Killamanjaro. Alright. So what? Alright. It's 5-5. What are we gonna do? Alright. It's draw right now. Selectors. 2 tune each. 2 tune each. 2. The Marxy people. 2 tune or 1 tune each. 2 tune. On the real deal, the people winning now. 2 tune. All right. Good point. It have to be 3. You agree with me? It have to be 3. Selectors. 3 songs each. Oh, what's still, man? The people still. Right? So 3 songs each. You going? All right.
You don't know say I kill we come for kill. Don't. Jaro band for 1965. And Bass is band 1989. Just down there so.